Commercio.network's instant finality consensus, what it is and how to use it for rapid blockchain transactions. We are doing daily tutorials, trying our best to simplify a complex subject like blockchain. It's not easy. If you like what we are doing, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue creating the blockchain videos you love. Are you tired of waiting for long transaction confirmations and uncertain transaction settlements when using cryptocurrencies? Well, Commercio.network has come up with a solution that can save you time and money when transacting in the blockchain world: instant finality. Instant finality is a protocol that allows for quick and secure transaction settlement in blockchain networks. In traditional blockchain systems, a transaction can take a considerable amount of time to be confirmed, depending on the network's congestion and the transaction fee. However, instant finality ensures that a transaction is confirmed almost instantaneously and permanently settled on the blockchain. This is because it uses a unique consensus mechanism that allows transactions to be approved quickly and irrevocably. The Tendermint consensus mechanism is a Byzantine fault tolerance (BFT) consensus algorithm that ensures that all nodes in the network agree on the state of the blockchain. This means that all transactions are validated and confirmed by the network, and once approved, they are permanently settled on the blockchain. The system uses a round-robin process to select a validator node that will propose a block for approval. Once the block is proposed, other nodes in the network will verify it, and if they all agree, the block will be added to the blockchain. This process is repeated for every new block that is added to the blockchain. Benefits of Commercio.network's instant finality. Fast transaction settlements. With instant finality, Commercio.network users can enjoy lightning-fast transaction settlements, which can take as little as a few seconds. This is because the consensus mechanism used by the platform is optimized for speed, allowing for quick and efficient transaction processing. Reduced transaction fees. Commercio.network's instant finality also helps users save money by reducing transaction fees. The platform's fast transaction settlement times mean that users can choose to pay lower fees and still have their transactions confirmed quickly. This is particularly beneficial for those who make a high volume of transactions, as it can significantly reduce their overall transaction costs. Increased security. Commercio.network's instant finality also ensures that transactions are permanently settled on the blockchain, making them immutable and resistant to tampering. This means that users can have complete confidence that their transactions are secure and cannot be reversed or altered in any way. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us or sign up on Commercio.app.